What's up, guys? Today's jackpot bot announcement. No, jackpot bot update. And also how to trade the market properly. How to compound, how about that? Compound your trade, how to compound your trade. Compound. All right, got it. Welcome everyone joining in. Just sending out the title here. What's up, guys? All right, pinned. All right. We about to get right into it in a second. All right, let me get some water. How's you guys' week going so far? I know it's only Monday, it's the first day. What's up? How's the market treating y'all? What's up? Welcome everyone joining in. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the jackpot. What's up, everyone? We going up today, man. I'm going to be discussing a lot of things. Give you guys some insights on what's been going on, also what we got going on right now. I'm working on a lot of projects at the moment. Lots and lots of projects. All right, but you know, we never forget about the market, because the market is how you make your money. You know, this is how you win. See, a lot of people, they know exactly how what they should do, right? But don't necessarily know how to do it. Everyone know that they should be making money, but don't necessarily know how to actually make money in the market. All right, and that's not just you; it's a lot of other people as well. You know. But once you have a strategy, now you have the how to make the money. It's about how you're going to apply that information so you could have success, okay? And this is where I come in at with the jackpot strategy, and now the jackpot bot that I'm going to be coming out with. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all these things is projects that I'm working on to help you be able to make profits and make money. So here's the update with the bot. Okay, the bot is being worked on still, but I don't feel like it's ready in a sense to release it to the public yet, because I want it to be a very good bot that works properly. So the amount of time that it's taken for us to test it out and make it work, that's okay, because it's gonna be worth it once it's done. Once it's done, it's gonna be so much worth it because it's gonna actually work, you know. And the thing is, I don't want to give you guys something that don't work, so it has to work. Okay. Now, in saying that, we have different ways that we could go about this to make money. Now, once this bot is released, the way it's gonna work is it's supposed to work in a sense where it copies the way that I trade. So similar to what I would be doing, that's what it would do on your account, but with good risk management. It's gonna do compounding like you see on my story as well. It's just not going to be as much lot size that I probably do personally, but it's going to do it too. It's going to do it. So all of that is different, and we also working on price points of how we're going to be able to charge you guys something fair for you guys and also for us as well. where we could make profit off of this as well. So I know it's going to work once it's released, but right now I need more time to work with it so I could get the result that I want from it. So it's taking me a bit longer than expected. Now we are about to go into a new month, so I'm saying probably by mid August I should have something. I should have something for you guys that's going to work. It's going to be separate from FX Capital Online signals, so FX Capital Online members will have to pay for it. It's going to be a monthly fee, but it's going to work, okay? Because like I said, I'm working on it right now to make it work properly. It works, it just don't work the way I want it to work. All right, some people, they probably have what I have and think that's it, and they fully work and they don't need to do anything else. No changes, no edit. That's not the way it should be. That's not the way that I work. That's not the way that I think. I think of longevity. All right, I'm thinking about being able to create something where I don't have to pull it away from the market now because it doesn't work. You know, I want something that works, and I want something that you guys could continuously use over and over and over and over and over and over and over to keep making money. So it's taking me a bit of time, but it's definitely worth the wait. It's worth the wait because once you have it, you will be able to start having results. You will be able to do certain things that you wish you could do. Now, aside from that, you have to do the work in the market so you know exactly what's going on. Even probably double checking if the bot is right or anything like that is good. Because what happened is the more you can keep doing that, not only my bot going to help you make money, but also your personal skills is going to help you make money as well. And that's the most important thing because now you are in control of your life. You know exactly what you should be doing and how to do it to be able to make money. Now, so right here, I'm going to show you some of the things that you could possibly do to get yourself to the next level. And I'm going to give you a pair that I'm working with as well. And maybe if you want to take it, you could take it. It really don't matter. But this is, you guys already seen it on my story. So, you know, I'm working with this pair right here. Okay, it's GJ. Alright, GJ on the 1 minute time frame. I'm expecting this pair to go up long term. Okay, 15-minute time frame. This is how it looks. Alright, 30-minute time frame. On a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. This is how it looks. Alright, now I'm expecting this pair to go up. This is just my idea, my point of view on this. I think it will go up long term. My fear is I don't want this to be like a wick and then it goes down. I don't want that to happen. I don't want this to be a wick and then it drop because things like this have happened before, and I've seen that from experience. This is why I've been saying, like in my live webinars with my members, the way I teach is from experience. Like I've seen where price go up, create a wick, act like it was going to keep going up, and then reverse, and then go down. Okay, I've definitely got caught up in certain moves like that before, but based on technical analysis, without me drawing on my screen or anything like that, this is a nice pattern, a nice formation that I see right here. Okay, the nice formation. Does anyone know what formation is this? My members know what formation is this, or potential formation this is creating to be able to do a big move. And that move, and I'm giving this out on live, free call. Alright? Right here. Right here. This is the time frame, GJ. I'm working with this pair right now, currently. There's a reason why I'm working with this pair. Alright? Yep, double bottom H1 time frame, correct. So right here, we have a double bottom H1 time frame on gold. I mean on GBP, JPY. Right? This is the W formation. Okay. Now, see, everyone want to make money in the market, but they can't understand that for them to make money, they have to kind of, in a way, predict the move before it happens. And the way we can, in a way, predict the move before it happens is by looking at these type of patterns here. Like, we call this in Forex a W formation or a double bottom. Because when we see stuff like this, that means price going up. We seen buys usually when we see this type of pattern, usually there's a buy that follows it. So from experience, we've watched the market do something similar like this, and then it went up. So that help us understand that maybe this time again is gonna do the same formation and it's gonna go up. With time and experience, you understand and you get better at predicting these things. But really, for you to make money in this trade, right? Oh, talking about money. For you to make money on this trade, right? Got some stash here. All right. Put this right here. Right? The goal is for you to predict this before it happened so you could bring this into reality. Right? That's the goal. Right? You want to predict this before it happens so you could catch the move, so you could bring this into reality. Okay? This is what you guys want. This is what you guys work so hard for. This is what you guys work so hard for. But then you got to do the work. Seeing this pattern happen over and over. Okay? Look at that. Racks. Why? Because you have to go in the market and get it first. Okay? Before you get this, see this? It's all over the place. All right? Before you get all of this, all right? And look, share this live because this is a free signal that I'm giving you guys, and also motivation. Share this live with your friends and family, your leaders, your mentors. Show them how Jackpot roll. Show them how we moving. All right? Because what I'm saying works and it's right. You see how this thing is going up right now because of the pattern, this formation here? Boom, 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 boom. You see that? When this go up, then I get paid more. And when I get paid, now I get the chance to bring this out into reality, into real life. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, you could also lose that. You could also lose that. Okay? You don't want to lose that. You see what's going on here? Now, this thing is not done. It has a long way to go. All right? This GJ. 15-minute time frame. Look at it. It wants to go up. It wants to go up. You see? Look at this W formation on this point of view. Tomorrow, or by the end of the week, if price go all the way up to up here again, I'm probably going to be making like 25,000, 30,000 if it goes all the way up here, which I'm already predicting before it happened that it will go up there, like up there. Okay? And I'm doing this on live because when it happened, you guys are going to be like, oh, how did he know? Look, I'm showing you how I know. I'm not adding all my indicators. All right, let me add one of the ones that you guys know, Ichimoku Cloud. You guys know that one well. All right, I get a lot of messages, people telling me how they make a lot of money using this Ichimoku Cloud here. You guys know that. And that, look here. It's like right here. You know when, from my past YouTube videos, you know when price underneath the cloud, it sells, right? You know when price is above the cloud, it buys, right? Okay. Right here, when price was underneath the cloud, you know a lot of people miss this move because they didn't really believe in the indicator or they just didn't really know. So now they have seen it happen. When it's under, it really go down, and when it above, it actually go up. Then now they start believing a little bit more. Right? They start believing in it a little bit more. Because now, when you believe in it, now you could print more money even faster. So it's like you were printing money, but now you are able to print money even faster. That's what happened to me. Right? It's like I was using this, making like, you know, using this when it's above the cloud to go up. I was using it, making $50 to $100 account grow until I was making $1,000 to $2,000 account grow. Now 100,000, making those grow. Right? Because now I could see the same thing. Like when I had smaller accounts, I could see the same thing, but I'm able to make even more money now. So this is why, based on my balance, when price actually go up for GJ buy, if you guys get in, you're gonna make money too. For GJ buy, if price go up all the way up here this week, that'll be 100 pips, 101 pips. So 15-minute time frame, that'll give me about 20 to 25,000 in profit. All right, it could be more or less. See, the problem is it ain't happened yet. Okay, right? It ain't happened yet, and I'm in profit right now, probably 6,000. When it was up there, I was in 8,000. Probably now, I'm profit 5,000 if I check on my MT4. But I have to wait for it. I can't be scared. Oh my God, I was in 7,000. Now I'm only at 5,000. I need to hurry up and close. If you're thinking like that, then you're scared. You don't really know the market for sure. You're just trying to make some quick bucks and call it a day. When you looking for hundreds of pips in the market because you can expect it and you believe in it, like this right here, like this move I'm expecting. When you could do that, then you really got the skills. And it takes time to that makes no sense. All right, to continue. So in saying this, right here, W formation, price above the cloud. So when they start buying, you guys gonna believe, Jack was right. Oh, when price above cloud, it does buy. That's what usually happens. But you have to, in a way, start believing it for yourself because you've been through the experience. You've seen this happen before, and then you could see exactly what's going on. So right there, price is above the Ichimoku cloud. All right, Ichimoku cloud right now is, in a way, helping this go up. You see how it's pushing it? Even though, yeah, this is a little pullback, I can't be scared of this pullback. Because if I'm scared of this pullback, I'm going to miss out on 100 pips because I'm going to want to close profits right now. All right? And yes, I could close profit. This is why I show you guys how you could close partial profit. Like, I closed 2K earlier today, so I'm able to withstand a little bit of this going on. And then tomorrow I'm going to close another 2-3K. And as it goes throughout the week, I'm going to close another 2-3K. And as it goes throughout the week, I'm going to close another 2-3K. But I'm not going to be holding all of my trade without taking nothing. Because what if price go all the way back down to my entries? That's going to hurt me. Coming from 8,000 to now at 2,000 when they retrace against me, that would hurt, right? And this is where a lot of people get it messed up. This is where a lot of people get confused because they don't have the tools that I have. So they don't know if price is going to continue going up. All right? They don't know if price is going to continue going up. So they're like, oh my God, price is selling. I don't want to lose my profit. I'm going to close everything. Yeah, you close everything. That's cool. You could do that too. But what about the hundreds of pips it's going to do later on in that direction? What about that? We're going to miss out. We're going to miss out on 100 of pips. What about that? So you have to understand in your mind already what you're going to do. So the Ichimoku cloud that you guys know, it helps you understand how far you could hang in there before you actually get out. Okay? Instead of, oh my God, I need to close right now. You know, this is the people when they see money and they get confused. Right? So right now, with price being on top of the white moving average here, I'm expecting it to go up. All right, let's check other time frame. Let's see if it's above Ichimoku cloud and things. Oh, look at this. On the H4 time frame for GJ. And look, you guys on live right now. After this actually go up, then you're going to realize how much I really know in this market. After it happened. You see how I have to wait until it happened? Once it happened, then we're going to know. Oh, okay, it actually went up. Oh. But me, I've seen this happen multiple times, so I could just say it boldly like that. You know, a lot of traders can't do that. I've seen this thing happen so many times, I understand how it works. Right? So, with price being on top of Ichimoku cloud, also on top of the yellow moving average, and then looking to break that white moving average, tells me it's going to actually go up. All right, now, if let's go into H1 time frame. H1 time frame. Look how the yellow, right? The yellow, the white is in a way holding that candle, making sure that it don't go down. And look, if this candle start to go down and breaks this and breaks this, then I'm going to step out my trade. Right? I'm going to step out my trade if it breaks that. But if it doesn't, I'm going to stay in. 30-minute time frame. This is the 30-minute time frame. All right. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin too. That pair is doing big moves. GJ on the 30-minute time frame. So GJ on the 30-minute time frame, as long as it stays above those moving average, we good. We good. All right? 15-minute time frame. As long as it stay above that, well, right now it's not above it, but this is why we go to the next time frame, because it's not doing what we want it to do right now. On the 5-minute time frame, it is above Ichimoku cloud, which is good news. So if price breaks this cloud, then that means it's probably not going to go my way no more. All right, 15 is already under it. 30 though, and H1 and all the other one, it's above the moving averages within the Ichimoku cloud. So this is supposed to help it go up basically. Okay, and I could see and track that. H1 time frame. You see how that yellow thing right there, that yellow line, see how it's represented as a support? This is where I could go here on the side and I could grab a horizontal line, put it right there, and I call that a support. And it's not just based from my head, I'm just calling it a support. It's just what it really is. It's a support. That's where the yellow line, the yellow moving average from the Ichimoku cloud is at. That's where it's at. It's going up. 30 minutes, and now I'm already in my trade since down here, so I'm just gonna hang in there until I get paid. All right, because if you could withstand, right, and predict this move to just give you this, let's calculate. This is how the money is made. Everyone want to make money, but they don't do this part right here before. All right. From here, we want, and all the way to here. 92, 96, 98, 99. 99 pips. Right there. Right there. Lock that in. Boom. See that? That's the work. Just like that. All right, just like that. And it's going to go. Now we wait on it to happen. If you do this, then you could bring out real money out in the world to be able to buy and purchase all the things that you want. All right? Hey, this watch is brand new. I recently got it like a month ago. From that. And I got some more. All right, a lot more left. Probably never, ever would see a day broke. Ever. All right? Because of this. Because of this. Because of that. All right? Now, there are multiple instruments in the market. We got BTC USD. See, there's so much bread here. Now I have to remove all this bread so I could write BTC USD. All right, hold on. Stash. This is when you need rubber bands for the stash. Okay. Here, right here, this is what you guys want right here. Literally, I know. That's what you guys want. But do the work. And then you're going to have so much you don't know what to do with. Because this is just nothing but paper at the end of the day. It just have a certain value in the real world where it could make purchases. It could do things. But all of it is already there for you. There, right here. It's there, right there. Okay, right there. And you just have to go and be smart and do what I'm telling you to do. Follow the jackpot strategy so you could take it. You take it like that. Every time you make profit, it's like you're doing this. It's like this is your bank account. This is the market. This is everything you want from the market. All right, this is everything you ever wanted from the market. Every time you do something smart in the market, you do the right move. It's like you're doing this. You come right here, you take, and then you just add it to your bank stash. You go right here, and then you add it like that. Boom. You just add it. And then you just rack up like that over time. Over time, you basically racking up over time. All right, you come back again. You look at another pair, right? You make another right decision. You make another right decision. Boom, profit. It's like you're just doing this. Boom. You come here. It's like you go like that. It's like you're doing that. Literally. Every time you make the right decision, you do this. Just like that. Now, guess what? Guess what? When you make the wrong decision, this is what happens. The market say, give me some. Give me back. This is why we have stop loss. Because if you don't have a stop loss, it's like it's going like that. All of it. All right? Boom. Come back. You get your money back. You get your money back. And you add it back. That's literally what the market is. That's why I say it's a game. It's a game. Because you come here, you predict, you write, boom. Take, deposit. It's like that. This is like a physical representation of the Forex market, literally. Come here, you take, you deposit in your bank account. But it first starts with knowledge. It starts with knowledge, right? Now, the knowledge comes in when you learn from the back office of FX Capital Online. All the info. I cannot teach you everything I know in one live. Right? But I could motivate you. I could show you things. All right? For me to talk about Bitcoin, I gotta get to the keyboard. So for me to get to the keyboard, I have to move all this stash. So to do that, you gotta take from the market, right? You add it to your stash. Just like that. That's all you're doing, literally. Come here. Oh, is it going up or down? Let's see. You make decisions. All right. That's what it is. I'm showing you real life what trading is. All right. Time for you to make a decision. Boom. You expected it to buy. It actually buy. Great. Boom. You go back. You take it. You make right decisions. You drop it. Now, guess what? When you compound, when you are compounding, this is what happens. This is a physical representation of compound. Represent this. Just like that. When you compounding, this is what happens. You don't put it, you don't withdraw it yet. You don't take everything yet. It's like you're doing this. All right. As time goes, just like that. Boom. You just taking as time goes, and then boom, you secure some profit. But you leave some so you could get some more. That's what compounding is. So you go like that. Boom. Like, give me that. Sometimes you get it by the bundle. So it may come out like this. Boom. Boom. All right. Next week. Come back. You compounding again. Secure some profit. Come back with the rest. You compound it again. That's what I do. That's the way I trade right here. Just like that. Boom. Take that. And then you put it here. And look, guys, this is not flexing or anything like that, because I came from the bottom just like y'all. So I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear nothing. All right? Because once you do what I did, you could have this, you could have that. Let's continue. You come back in the market, you find your favorite pair. I recommend you sticking to one pair. You focus on that pair and you compound. You compound. All right? You compound it. Boom. You add it to the stash. All right? Guess what now? Look. 3 years later, you calculate, you almost a millionaire. Right? 4 years later, 5 years later, next thing you know, you arrived at your destination. See that? But you don't, with the thing with the market is it doesn't stop. You see some people? There's some people in this world, like, they have jobs. So they either have a contract to work a certain amount of time and then that's it. Some people have a 9 to 5 where they work on an hourly base, they get paid and that's it. All right? Every time they do work, they get paid. That's it. But with Forex, you could come in the market and make months worth of income in one day. So maybe in the market, you come and you have a great day. You walk away with bands that one day. Or you've been compounding and it ended up being a great day. You withdrew a lot. Guess what? You add it to the stash as the years go. There's no limit. There's no limit to how much you could get. All right? There's no limit to how much you could get, because next year, the year after that, you come back and you take until there's no more left. All right? But guess what? In the Forex market, there will never be no more left. There's always forever going to be more left. It's like I added this stash back here again and redo the same process again. See that? Just like that. Now, why do I show you guys this? Because sometimes you need a physical representation of what it's like. You know, what I'm doing and everything that I show you guys is what I wish I seen a Forex trader do. Right? Because it would motivate me at that time. Everything that I'm doing on my posts is what I wish I seen others do. But they're not the ones to do it. All right? Because look, once, and I told myself this, man, I can't wait till I get this knowledge so I could do all of this right now, because I knew it was coming. And same for you guys, right? Same for you guys. You guys want success, and maybe right now you're not successful the way you would want to be a success, right? But what you need to do is continue, keep going, because one day your time is coming, especially if you're learning the right thing. Take it from me. Real life example. Because I didn't quit on the jackpot strategy, now the jackpot strategy pays me. All right? Because I didn't quit on the jackpot strategy, now the jackpot strategy pays me. So now I'm a living testimonial that the jackpot strategy worked. Okay, you see that? It works. Jackpot strategy worked. So if jackpot strategy worked, that means it's going to work for you too. It's just a matter of time. The problem is a lot of you guys don't want to do the time. You don't want to just
literally work hard for a certain amount of time. It could be 2 years. So what? After 2 years, you got it. You go to school for 2 years, not even sure you're going to be making money when you come out. So why not give Jackpot Strategy 2 years to learn it? And the reason why I say 2 years is because that's realistic. Okay, 6 months you could do it, but 2 years, 2 to 3 years is the right amount of time that you need to spend in your craft, realistically, so you could be able to do what you need to do. Because if you're not doing that, then you're gonna trick yourself thinking that Forex don't work, but really you didn't do your time, right? That's what happens a lot of times, because you want it to happen so fast, and then you tell yourself, "Oh, I've been trading for 6 months now. I didn't make no profit. This thing don't work." That's why. It's been 6 months, right? You've been trading for 1 year and you don't see no result. You say Forex don't work because it's been 1 year. You don't see no result. Look, I understand 1 year may be long, but it's only 1 year, okay? Because you go to school for 4. You don't say school didn't work after you get out, even if you don't get a job. You don't say that because you think, "Oh, I have a degree," because you have a paperwork. But do you have money? That's 2 different things, right? That's 2 different things. You have to invest in yourself to get to the next level. And that could be with money. That could be with time, energy. You have to invest in yourself to get to that next level. All right? Let me give you guys the real way, the real steps, okay? It start off like this. At first, you don't have no money, but you want to make money in Forex. Great. So what you do when you don't have no money, you invest in your knowledge by doing time. So what is that? You could go on YouTube and watch Forex video for at least 1 hour a day. That's time. You're investing time. You could do that. You can. Right? So you could really do that. You could really spend 1 hour a day every day watching Forex YouTube videos from people that actually know what they're talking about. Now, I understand sometimes it could be confusing because there's people probably using their own strategy and they're teaching their strategy, and then you watch this other guy talking about this other strategy and this other guy talking about this strategy. It could get confusing, I understand, but you want to stay at your level. So if you want to focus on 1 or 2 things, right? One thing. One of the things that's easy to understand at first is support and resistance. What is support and resistance? Basically the high and the low of the market. That's easy. You learn that. Maybe it'll take you 1 year. Maybe it could take you 2 years. But you learn it. Okay? Because once you learn it, now you are able to do more because you know support and resistance now. All right? Now you are able to go and work on other things. And guys, look, man. All these people talking shit on my live, they still on my live watching. So they're actually real fans. They just don't want to come across as real fans. So they coming out with a face that, they don't like, they don't fuck with me. But they really do. Because they know I'm the best. And that's just what it is. All right? Look, like I was saying today about the numbers on IG. I'm about to have 40K people. I'm about to have 40 followers. 40K followers. Look how many people on my live. 221 people on my live. I've seen Forex traders with 100K followers only have 20 people on their live. Where are those people at? I've seen Forex traders that have 300K followers. Look, and send this video to them. I don't care. You know who they are. It's time to bring out the truth. All right, it's time to talk the facts. When I say I'm gonna be the best trader ever, you guys think I'm capping, but I'm really not capping, because over time you will see it. Look at my page and look at your favorite Forex trader page, and you will see the difference. Okay, people out here really trying to put up a front. They're trying to put up a look like they something, but they're really not. All right, so you buy followers, you get yourself to 100K, so people think you somebody. Right? You have 300K, you have 500K, you have 1 million followers, but you can't even get 200 people on a live. I have 40K followers and I have 200 plus people on my live. Look at my interactions, look at my comments, and compare it to another nigga that have 100K followers and see the difference. Legit, we're doing all legit. Look, real bread, all independent. No, like the rappers be saying, no label. All right, no label. So I have none to worry about. I'm real out here. I'm real legit. I meet real people, real influencers out here that know me. Real. There's no fake about it. I'm not putting up a front. I'm not buying followers to make you guys think that I'm the shit. I'm not. Based on what I say and what I do and what I show you guys know I'm real, right? So don't worry about these people on my comments hating. Don't worry about them, because, they don't know better. Like I said, I'm one of the few traders with only 40K followers that could get 200 people on a live easily. Just like that. Boom. Because you guys want to hear what I have to say. It's real value. Every time I'm talking, every time I'm saying something, it's real facts. It's real value. So your favorite trader cannot compare to me. Right? You are fake people. They buy followers. They buy fake things. They buy fake likes. They buy fake comments. Check my page after this live to see if what I'm saying is capping. Check my page. 40K followers, 200 plus people on the live, because I'm talking real facts. I'm showing people how to make money real life. And I'm showing you guys how to track it. I'm showing you guys how to track it because you watch my stories. You see what I'm doing. All right? And this is why people hate me the most. Because they say something they learn from the book, and I come back and I say something else that is a fact, and it contradicts what they said. Now they feel some type of way. So that's why you have people going on YouTube making videos about me saying that what I'm saying don't work, but it really does. You feel me? Because they hating on me. They mad, right? They're mad. Some of these people probably on my live right now, watching me right now, saying what I'm saying right now, because they know I'm the truth. And they don't like that. See, this is why I give you guys the game straight to the point. I'm not going around the bush. I'm not going to say stuff that to sound like, that I'm smarter than I really am. Guys, you guys know I'm from Haiti. Guys, you guys know my story by now. Like, I'm not here to put up a front or put up a look. I'm not here to do that, because everything I do is legit. I learned this game real by myself. No mentors, so I don't have to split my profits with nobody. Right? Real no mentors. I really had no mentors. Okay? My mentor was losses. That's a mentor right there. You know what's a real mentor? Losses. Because you're going to go that night thinking about what that loss taught you. That's a real mentor. All right, and look, I say that because when I wanted a mentor that would kind of be the way I'm mentoring you guys, I didn't find it out there. Right? I didn't find that person. Right? I didn't find it. So this is why I am blessed and grateful to be that type of mentor to you all, because I know how it's like. I know what I wanted to learn when I first started. I know what I wish I knew when I first started. So now that I know it, I could share it with you guys. So this is why I appreciate you guys, following me, following me on TradingView, subscribing to my YouTube channel, sending me great messages daily. Although I'm not able to see all of them, but I do really appreciate the fact that you guys take time to send me messages. You know, how appreciative you are of the course. I respect that. I like that. And it doesn't go unnoticed. This is why I go hard, because now it became not just about me anymore. It's not just about, oh, Jack know how to do Forex. It's about, how can I help this guy make profit in Forex? Or how can I help this family make profit in Forex? Right? Because I have enough money, not enough. You never have enough money. But now that I have money, it is not about money anymore. It's just more about, how can I help you guys win? You know? How can I help you guys win now? Because if I help you win, you're going to help your family win. They're going to help their family win. And it's going to go in that circle. Just spread out. Because once it's like that, now you're able to help other people because of just me teaching you one or two things. All right? Because now, the reason I say that is that's just really what it is in reality. And that's why I motivate you guys. That's why we do these giveaways to keep you going in the game and not stressing too much. I understand it could be hard. You know, I understand there's losses. I take losses too. But I still go hard. You know, I still go back in the market. I still go study back. I still use my lessons as a learning for me. All right? I still do that. So, because of that, somebody said, show the chat. I got you. Because of that, I've been able to help a lot of other people. You know, I've been able to help a lot of people come out of poverty. All right. We have, look, check out the group chat. We are now at 2,000 members, by the way. See this? You see this person result? That was me when I first started. But now I'm here. This person is in their journey to get to where I am. And then some more. You see that? But this person is excited and happy about his profit. All right? Let's look at more. You see, 881 people talking. 881 messages. All right, let's scroll down. You could tell that these people know exactly what they're talking about because they learned it from the academy. All right. Look at that. Using the jackpot strategy. See that? In profit. That's how it's done. Stop loss with the entries in profit. It's not just me that do this, guys. We have members that do this every day in the chat. Look, this person making profit. He's happy. This person made profit. $339. That's great. Let's scroll all the way down. People make a lot of money in this group. Guys, it doesn't go unnoticed. I see everything. Maybe not everything now, but I see. All right. Profits being made. Lives are being changed. All right. Because, guys, once you understand this, look, this person making money. All right. You see that? This is a growing chat. Every day new people come in it. And it's funny too. This person making profit from what he's been taught. Right? Everyone here, not everyone, but most people here makes money. All right? People want to grow, but they don't want to invest in themselves. Everyone that's in this group right here invested in themselves. Now they are able to turn $190 to $433. Yep. Just like that. Just like that. All it took was some skills, some know-how, how to do it. All right, look at GJ going up because I know it's going to go up. And I know it really is going to go up, for real. It's going to go. All right? It's going to go. And when it happened, then you're gonna see my profit. Then you're gonna like, oh, Jack was right. It did go up. So don't be scared to do the work, guys. You scared to do the work, then you will never see success. You will never see stash. You want to see stash, and a lot of it too. That's what you want. You want that. That's probably rent times 10. All right? That's probably food for the whole 6 months. Whatever it is, you just get it right here. And then from there, you will be able to win in life. You will be able to grow and go to the next level. Guys, I really want success for you all because I know this thing worked. It's life changing. It changed my life. And I know it could change your lives as well. But you have to do the work. You can't get away from doing the time. You can't get away from doing the time. Right? You have to put in some work. You got to do something. You got to do the hours. And look, this is where it gets hard. When you've been doing the work and you don't see no result, guess what? You keep doing the work until it works. If it goes a couple of years, you still don't see result, then you have to really check to see what's going on. All right? Some people was talking about Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. That thing skyrocketed. Ooh. I had some money in my Coinbase. Definitely gained some value. Oh, look at that. Crazy move. This is just getting started. Bitcoin buy. Monthly time frame. Right here. W formation. Wow. That was a huge W formation now that I'm looking at it. H1, it looked like that. Wow, that was a huge move today. Right here. So Bitcoin is now at 11,000. Oof. I know some people are hype right now. That's dope. Wait for a pullback and re-enter. Next month, we'll see how the next monthly candle open for sure. We'll see how that open. Right here. So right here, H1, Bitcoin is going up long term. All right, but don't let that take away your attention from catching GJ for a buy. All right, GJ is really going for a buy long term. H4 is going up long term for a buy. 30-minute time frame, it should be going up long term. 15-minute, it's going now. All right. Right here, it's going up. GJ, I called GJ last night. In the live webinar when Price was here. The live webinar at 9 p.m. last night. I called the buy right here. And right now, let's calculate how many pips it's been. Wow, only 38 pips. And I was making that much. Last night, I gave that call in the live webinar. Right here. Right here. Boom. Look at price going up. As predicted. And the more it keeps going, the more profit I have potential to make. Now I just wait. Look at Ichimoku Cloud, and you watch it go. If you were to hide everything, it looks like that. All right. So in saying that, I want you all to be successful, but you have to do the work. So when you do the work, now you're able to do different things in your life and change your surroundings and do a lot of bigger things. All right. Now, I've been on the road for the past couple of days, couple of weeks, but I'm getting back to stabilize myself soon because right now I'm back in Puerto Rico where I live, but I will be moving in about 1 more week. All right, in 1 more week I will be moving to Miami, and from there I'll be much more stabilized, have my setup ready, so I could be able to focus and trade with you all, and then give you guys some great calls, some great signals, so you could see exactly what's going on in the market and be able to track it. Okay, because to make money it takes focus. You have to focus. Only if you could still make money on the go, but you could make even more money if you are focused. If you are sitting somewhere and you are able to track and analyze the market on a stabilized mind where you're not going all over the place. So it's easier to trade like that. Now, once I get stabilized, I will have my setup ready. I will be home, for living somewhere for a long, long time. So I will be more relaxed and at peace to just work and do what I need to do so we all could go to the next level. Because the better I do, the better you guys do. All right? Because the more you keep studying over and over, the better you get. All right? The better you get. The better you get, the more profit you make. The more profit you make, the even more profit you make, because now you have even more to invest. All right? Look, telling you this right now, at one point, GJ is going up, by the way. Telling you this right now, at one point of my life, I couldn't afford to have all this cash out of my bank because it'll go to negative. Or I wouldn't have no money to pay my rent. I wouldn't have no money to pay for anything that I had going on. I wouldn't have money to deposit in my account. But now I've take so much from this to here. Now I could be able to leave this out and not touch it while I have more compounding in the market. Or I could take this, put it back in this so I could be able to make more and make it bring more. All right. I'm telling you guys the truth. The truth, because soon you're going to get to that level too. You're going to realize, oh, I see what Jackpot was saying that one time. That's what's going to happen. Right? You're going to be like, oh, I understand now what's going on. I see. But you have to first do the work. You have to really sit down and do what you got to do. So once I get to where I need to be, where I'm stabilized, I'm going to be able to be more relaxed, right? What's up, Choose? I see you, man. Shout out to Choose, man, with the fire content, man. Dope content. Going to keep coming soon. Dropping more and more and more, right? And saying that, we all have to do our part to get to the next level, all right? So I'm doing my part to become a better mentor, a great trader, so you all could be able to have success in your career as well, because you are following my calls, you are following my studies. I'm doing everything on my end to continuously better myself, increase my knowledge so I could be able to share it with you all so you could grow as well. Now, you have to do your part. Your part is you actually going in the back office of FX Capital Online, actually reading what's going on, right? And actually taking time to mastering your craft. Even if it takes 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, but as long as you continuously keep growing and building on that, you will be a great trader. You will win over time. It's not going to happen quick, but over time, you will be great. So I'm saying that